First, ensure your new phone is eSIM compatible and unlocked for Visible. On your old phone, open the Visible app. Go to Account, then Device Settings, and select Transfer eSIM or Move Line. This deactivates the eSIM on your old device. This is critical. Do not skip this step. Now on your new phone, download the Visible app and sign in. Choose Add a Line or Reactivate eSIM. You may need to scan a QR code or enter details manually. The app will guide you. Once activated, test your service by making a call or sending a text. Transfers usually take 10 to 30 minutes. If you run into any snags, Visible's customer support is available via chat or phone, 1-833-853-4444. Remember, transfers are free, but you're limited to one per 30 days to prevent abuse. Double-check Visible's website or app for the most current instructions, as procedures can change. If your old phone is lost, use IMEI verification through support.